ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ. While growing up, a lot of us dream of having a perfect family, a loving spouse and a naughty kid. Families dream together, work towards achieving their goals and support each other through good and bad. Our house or our home is synonymous to a family, a shared space where we can laugh, cry, dream is very special, and that's why they say home is where your heart is. It's exactly why all of us go on and buy our house. Because our savings aren't enough to do this, we take the help of a home loan. So let's get to know the benefits of this home loan today. So guys, the first benefit of home loan is tax benefits under Section 80C. Like I said, a home loan EMI has two components, the principal and the interest component. All amounts repaid to the financial institution under the principal component of EMI is exempted from taxation under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. And the limit to which you can claim this amount is INR 1.5 lakh. Let me explain this with an example. If you've repaid INR 1 lakh to the financial institution in a particular financial year, then the entire 1 lakh rupees is exempted from taxation under Section 80C. But if you've repaid INR 2 lakhs to the bank, 1.5 lakh out of that amount will be exempted from taxation, but you will have to pay tax on the rest of the 50,000 rupees. The second benefit of a home loan is tax benefits under Section 24. All amounts repaid towards the interest component is also exempted from taxation. The maximum limit that you can claim under this section is INR 2 lakhs. If you have paid INR 1 lakh as repayment towards your interest component, then the entire 1 lakh will be exempted from taxation. But if you've repaid INR 3 lakhs towards the interest component, then 2 lakhs out of this will be exempted from taxation, but you will have to pay tax on the remaining 1 lakh. The third benefit of a home loan is tax benefits for stamp duty and registration charges. All amounts paid towards stamp duty and registration charges are exempted from taxation under Section 80C. This, along with the principal component, has an upper cap of 1.5 lakh. Now, if you've paid 30,000 rupees as stamp duty charges and 1 lakh rupees as your principal repayment for a particular year, then the entire 1.3 lakh rupees will be exempted from taxation. The fourth benefit of a home loan is capital appreciation. Your home is the most appreciable asset in your investment portfolio. Let me explain this with a personal example. Somebody I know purchased his first house at INR X in the 80s and then sold it for 9x after 12 years. Reinvested this 9x in a new house and then sold it for a whopping 72x after 10 years. So just within a span of 20 to 25 years, the amount invested in real estate multiplied by 72 times. Can any other investment scheme or can any other instrument give you this much of a return within this time frame? Yes, you have to have patience and there will be cycles of up and down in the real estate market, but have faith. This is the most appreciable asset in your investment portfolio. The fifth and the last reason why we should all have a home loan is interest rates cycle. Interest rates have a sinusoidal curve and go up and down in periodic intervals. A lot of my senior colleagues took home loans in 1995 for interest rates as high as 18%. A couple of years later, they saw this interest rate go down to as low as 7.5%. Not only this, the property prices in which they had invested also went up considerably. This acts as a double boost to wealth. You can also manage your home loans efficiently and take advantage of the low interest rate cycle. A lot of times, new borrowers get better rates than existing customers. In case you see that your interest rates have gone up by 2 percentage points, you can have a negotiation with your financial institution. Get your rate down by 2 percentage points by paying a processing fee of 0.5%. It's not that difficult, guys. It's very simple, and once you do it, you'll get a hang of it. In case you have questions on this, you can of course leave it in the comment section. So guys, this video was all about the emotional and the financial reasons of having a home loan. In case you have any further questions, like I said, please do drop a comment and I'll be glad to respond. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and do share this video if you found it interesting with your families and friends. Thank you guys and have a great day.